After more than 2.5 years since the introduction of the Fenix 7 models, Garmin is excited to announce the launch of the Fenix 8 series. The new lineup has been unveiled with a complete press release, showcasing a range of features that are sure to impress multisport enthusiasts. The Fenix 8 series comes in various sizes and offers a choice between a stunning AMOLED display or a solar charging MIP display. These watches are equipped with advanced outdoor, health, and performance features, including a built-in speaker, microphone, and a bright LED flashlight. For over a decade, the Fenix series has set the standard for multi-sport watches with its innovative features, high-quality materials, and unique design. With the Fenix 8, Garmin continues to push the boundaries even further. For the first time, users can choose a Fenix 8 with a vibrant AMOLED display or stick with the enhanced MIP solar charging lens for extended battery life. The Fenix 8 also introduces advanced strength training features, diving profiles, and Garmin Share, making it the most powerful Fenix model yet. If battery life is a priority, the 51mm AMOLED model lasts up to 29 days in smartwatch mode, while the 51mm solar model with its always-on display can last up to 48 days. Here are some key features of the Fenix 8 series. Displays and sizes. Choose between a vivid AMOLED display or a power-saving MIP display with a solar charging lens. The 51mm version delivers 50% more solar power than its predecessor. The AMOLED models are available in 43mm, 47mm, and 51mm sizes, while the MIP versions come in 47mm and 51mm. Durable design. All models feature waterproof metal buttons, a new side-mounted sensor guard, and have been tested to US military standards for heat, shock, and water resistance. High-end materials like titanium or stainless steel bezels and scratch-resistant sapphire or Gorilla Glass ensure durability in tough conditions. Speaker and microphone. Paired with your smartphone, you can make calls directly from the watch. Voice commands also work without a phone connection, allowing you to start workouts, set timers, or mark waypoints with ease. LED flashlight. Adjust the brightness via the display and choose from various intensities, including a red light and strobe mode for nighttime visibility. Sport-specific training plans. Whether you're into trail running or diving, the Fenix 8 offers tailored training plans to enhance strength and endurance while minimizing injury risks. The diving function supports recreational diving, single gas, and free diving up to 40 meters deep, with official certification. Messenger app. This feature allows you to send text messages directly from the smartwatch, keeping you connected on the go. Premium apps and dynamic routing. The Fenix 8 comes with pre-installed topographic maps for Europe, golf, and ski maps. The dynamic round-trip routing recalculates based on your target distance, ensuring you stay on track even off-road. Garmin Share allows you to easily share routes, workouts, and locations with other compatible Garmin products. With all these upgrades, the Fenix 8 series is setting a new standard for multi-sport watches. Thanks for watching this overview, and stay tuned for more updates.